Welcome, today I am with Gigabyte Aorus Fi27Q and I will show you how you can change brightness level on this device. So the first, you have to go below this LED indicator and you will find right here the button that you have to click once. When you make it, you will get this menu and you have to go for the settings. And next you have to scroll to the picture mode and go for the right side. As you can see right here, we got few different presets. When you switch between them, your brightness, color and contrast has changed. So you can pick that one that fits you the best, and after that, to adjust the brightness, you have to go another time for the right and another time for the right to select the brightness level. And right now you can go down or up to decrease or increase brightness level, and of course all of these settings you change with this button under this LED indicator. You can press on it or put go to the right, left, up or down. Also we can stay with the 90 and then we can just go back. So as you can see, that's how it's done. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.